Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we will show you how to add green screen on CapCut in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This tutorial helps you insert a clean black background for transitions, text, or pauses in your video. Step 1. Open CapCut on your PC by clicking its icon from the taskbar or the desktop, and click on Create Project to open a new CapCut editing window. This is where you start building and editing your video. Step 2. Click on Media from the left sidebar of the CapCut window. The Media section is where you access built-in assets and backgrounds. Step 3. Click on Library inside the Media panel to view available media collections. This library contains stock items provided by CapCut. Step 4. Select Green Screen from the drop-down menu to open Background options. This section includes solid color backgrounds you can use. Step 5. Drag the green screen background down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline controls where and how long the green screen appears. Step 6. Click and drag the edge of the green screen background clip to adjust its duration. This allows you to control how long the green screen stays in your video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Techie Dialogue channel for more simple and helpful CapCut tutorials.